Well, okay. This is my final meal I've made. I made this roasted chicken with the vegetables on the bottom, and this is my dirty rice. My goodness, it's so delicious. It's a dirty rice with the oysters. Let me lower this real quick. I'm telling you, it's so delicious. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to get into it. I'm going to try it. Yeah, this is good. And I can see why they call it dirty rice. Because it tastes, it's so rustic with all those flavors. And it, with the oysters, it almost has a little bit of that dirt taste, but it's delicious. And I know that sounds really weird and funky, but oh my god, this is so good. And then plus I have my chicken, which I am going to, let me see, I just want a little piece. So I want to show you how to, I usually, if I'm going to serve it, I'm going to serve it with the leg and the thigh. But because I just want a little piece because it's late at night and I just want to taste a little bit of this. So I put my veggies and I just want to show you how to plate. Just lay your veggies like that. Okay, and then you just go ahead and lay your chicken, and there you have it. You have your delicious dirty rice with your roasted chicken and your veggies. Okay, and that's pretty much it. My Budo's happy. And this is a cookbook where I got it from. This is the dirty rice cookbook if you want to take. And then I added the oysters, of course. And it's from, I'm not sure if I got this or if my father got this. It's from Baton Rouge. So it's from the South. And it's Tabasco cookbook. But it's got some really neat recipes in there. If you really want to go to the South. So, and I'm not sure if it was when me and my daughter traveled the South and we went to Jefferson's estate, we went to Mississippi, Biloxi, oh gosh, we went to Pensacola, Florida, where we got stung with a lot of those nasty little jigglers. They're in the sea, the jellyfish. That was an experience. We had coladas by the ocean and went to New Orleans where I had a little bit too much Mai Tai and turtle soup. But we had a ball and I hated to leave her, but I knew she was going to be safe. And she had her boyfriend at the time, who she's married to now, and has 2 beautiful children. And my lucky daughter is over there with her. And so this is a food memory for me. Road trip. I have my little bit of niblet. So I have some food for the whole week. I may share and I may not. Okay, there it is. Dirty rice. Yes, I love it. Have a good one. All right, bye.